How to remove contacts from WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this list where you can view all the chats. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Type in a name. Open the chat with that contact. From this page, tap on the profile icon. Scroll down to find the option Remove Your Account. Since the option isn't available in this menu, we need to tap on the Edit button at the top right corner. You will find an option by the name Delete Contact at the very bottom. Tap on it. Proceed with your command by tapping on the option Delete Contact. Once you're done, the contact name will be removed, but the chats with the contact will stay in your list. Removing a contact doesn't remove the media files that you shared with them earlier, or other settings like chat theme, notifications, etc. So, by following these steps, you can remove contacts from WhatsApp.